Did you know Washington, D.C. is dealing with a growing apartment mold crisis? And the truth is, most tenants have no idea what's really going on. Let me break down what landlords don't want you to know. First, many D.C. buildings are older high-rises with outdated HVAC systems. When ventilation is poor, humidity builds up fast. That trapped moisture settles in bathrooms, closets, and behind walls, creating the perfect breeding ground for mold. Second, leaky pipes and aging plumbing. Small, slow leaks in older apartments can go unnoticed for months. Meanwhile, moisture is quietly feeding mold inside the walls while tenants only notice the symptoms: coughing, headaches, itchy eyes, or that constant musty smell. Third, many landlords only treat the surface. They'll repaint, recaulk, or clean the area, but they rarely fix the root cause: moisture intrusion and poor air circulation. That means the mold comes right back, and tenants are the ones who suffer. Fourth, legally, mold isn't always treated as an emergency, so tenants may wait weeks for maintenance to respond. But mold doesn't wait. It spreads quickly, especially in humid DC summers. Here's what most renters don't realize. If your symptoms improve when you leave your apartment, that is a major red flag. Your indoor air quality may be compromised, and mold could be the cause. That's why I recommend getting an independent mold test if you suspect a problem. For tenants in Washington, D.C., go to mdmoldtesting.com. You'll get a professional inspection and real, lab-verified results you can use to protect your health and your rights. And if you want my free home mold safety guide, just comment "mold-free" below and I'll send it right over. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click below to watch more home safety videos.